Okay, fresh empty template of Bitwig. Cursor is visible on both monitors, as it should be, until I click anywhere on monitor 2, and it disappears. Mouse back to monitor 1 is visible, and I will, well, you can see here, it's still invisible on monitor 2, visible, invisible, visible, invisible, until I click anywhere on monitor 1. Now it's visible again on monitor 2 until I again click anywhere on monitor 2. Okay, so 2 anomalies I've noticed. Let me click again on monitor 1 to make it visible on monitor 2. See these 4 inactive buttons? If I click, which will make the cursor invisible, and I push it up so it's over those buttons, there we go, it becomes visible only when it is hovering over these inactive buttons. If I move off, it disappears. Okay. The second anomaly I've noticed is, here I'm invisible, but I'm going to push it so the invisible cursor is hovering over the Bitwig logo. There we go. You see it highlight, and I will click, and it reappears. That's the only way to get the cursor to reappear other than mousing over to monitor 1 and clicking anywhere on monitor 1. So the cursor, while it's invisible, is still active. I just can't see it. So now I'll click to X this window out, and the cursor will disappear. Okay, now the workaround is, let me get my click to get my cursor visible again. There we go. Okay. If I take it out of full screen, like that, and I drag the window so it's almost, but not quite, full screen. Basically it's full screen. Now, oops, didn't mean to do that. Now the cursor works as normal. Monitor 1, click around, monitor 2, click, click, click. Everything works as normal now. So this is the workaround that I will be using until the problem gets solved. So yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.